Hi guys, I'm Isa, aka The Fashion Isa, and I'm a hairstylist from IGK Salon, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a smooth look using the whole family of IGK Good Behavior. So I just hopped out of the shower, and my hair is a little tangled, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray, and this is an amazing detangler, and it has 24-hour frizz control. It's also a heat protectant, and the brush really glides through so easily. So this is also gonna help add some shine. So now that my hair is fully detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and use the new IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Balm. This is the real game changer here. And you're just gonna pour a little bit, massage that through your hands. So you're gonna apply most of this on your mids to ends, where your hair is mostly dry. Really work that product in. And then the excess amount that you have on your hands, I like to just work that onto the roots and towards my hairline, so the least amount of product is on my roots. And I'm really just gonna go in and rough dry, get most of that moisture out before I go in with my round brush. So as you can see, my hair is so smooth and it feels so healthy and soft. So I'm gonna complete this look. I wanna do an iron smooth look today. So I'm gonna spray the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Spray before I start. So this is gonna help protect from more 450 heat. Sometimes on like day 2 or day 3 when I want to restyle like the curl, I'll add this right before just to add that extra protection. And if you have finer hair, you can just use the prep spray and then go straight into the smoothing spray. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. As I work up the hair, I'm just gonna continue to spray a little bit more. Do you guys see that? All right, so this is the final look using all 3 of the Good Behavior products. So what I love about these 3 products is that they're so versatile to create that smooth look or just get rid of that frizz, and it's perfect for any hair type. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.